If you want to flip vertically in Photopea, whether that's a single layer, a specific image, or your entire canvas, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps in just a few minutes. Vertical flipping is super useful when you want to create mirrored reflections, correct an upside-down image, or quickly change the orientation of a design element without rebuilding anything from scratch. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's look at the most common method, which is flipping a single layer or image. Start by opening your project in Photopea and look over to the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. Here, click the layer you want to flip vertically. It's important to select the correct layer first because Photopea will only apply the flip to the active layer unless you choose a different option. Once your layer is selected, move up to the top menu bar and click Edit. From the drop-down menu, hover over Transform. This opens the transform options for that layer. In the list that appears, click Flip Vertically. As soon as you do that, your selected layer will flip upside down instantly. This is the fastest way to vertically reverse just one object, image, or text layer while leaving everything else in the project unchanged. Now, if you want to flip the entire canvas or project, the process is slightly different. This is the option you should use when you want every layer in the document to flip vertically together. To do that, go up to the top menu bar again, but this time click Image instead of Edit. Then hover over Transform and choose Flip Vertically. When you select this, Photopea will flip the whole document, including all visible layers at once. This is especially helpful if you're editing a full composition and want to turn the entire design upside down without manually adjusting each layer. There's also a quick shortcut tip that can save you time. If you already have Free to Transform active, you can flip vertically without digging through the menus. On a Mac, the shortcut is Command, Option, and T. On Windows, it's Control, Alt, and T. Once the transform box appears around your layer, right-click anywhere inside that bounding box. A small pop-up menu will appear, and from there, you can click Flip Vertically. This is a great workflow if you're already resizing, rotating, or repositioning an element and want to add a vertical flip in the same step. A quick tip here, if the flip doesn't seem to do what you expected, make sure the correct layer is highlighted before you start. Also, if you're working on a design with multiple objects, think carefully about whether you want to flip only one element or the entire project, because those two options can lead to very different results. Photopea gives you both choices, so it's really just about picking the one that matches your goal. And that's how to flip vertically in Photopea using a single layer, the entire canvas, or the faster right-click transform method. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photopea walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.